Hey everybody, I'm on the corner of Mulberry and Canal Street. And I got a special treat where they're setting up for the San Gennaro Street Feast. So you get to see what it looks like before it happens. Maybe I'll try to come down here in a couple days when it's going on. But you can see everyone's constructing all the little booths that the feast is going to happen in. It's kind of one of the days when Little Italy comes back to life. So we're just going to take a look and see what people are setting up, see how they're setting up, see what's going on. So San Gennaro is probably one of the biggest street festivals or Italian street feasts in New York, if not the biggest. It's the one I always remembered as being the most popular. Mulberry Street and Mott Street in downtown Manhattan is where they used to have which currently has Little Italy, but it used to have a lot more Italian immigrants that came and settled here a long time ago. So now we're on the corner of Mulberry and Hester. And everyone's getting ready. In a couple days on the weekend, they start the San Gennaro Festival. Right now we got a bunch of tourists starting to sit down for dinner. All the Italian restaurants are open. People are sitting down to beautiful dinners. (2021) Euro Cup champions, Italy.
The double one, yeah. See? What I told you. Didn't I tell you?
We got the sausage and peppers stand. Classic, very important for any Italian street feast. Gotta have sausage peppers, gotta have zeppolis. Oh, the Mulberry Street cigars. They come out and hand roll cigars right for you on the street.
I'm trying to be like you.
Oh, Cannoli King, famous place to come get your cannolis. I love that ricotta filling. beautiful view, and in the distance, when you look at the top of Mulberry Street, you could see the Empire State Building. Ooh, hot Zeppelis. You can take a look. These are the metal pans that they use to make the Zeppelis. And underneath they have the gas that lights it all up. Oh, and we got a Ferris wheel. Wow, more sausage and peppers. Can't get enough of this stuff. More Zeppelis. The pina colada man. During this walk, this is a really relaxed walk. When San Gennaro is in full effect on the weekend, come Saturday, it'll be wall-to-wall people. You'll barely be able to walk forward. But Mulberry Street is the street if you want to come eat some Italian food. It has what's known as classic Italian. You're going to get a great red sauce meal. Pasta, lasagna, stuffed shells, any sort of parmesan, veal parmesan, chicken parmesan. Mulberry Street's the spot. All these street kitchens are ready to go. If anyone's a fan of the show The Sopranos, several shots from The Sopranos, especially in the later seasons, were shot right on Mulberry Street. There's a resurgence in popularity for The Sopranos because they have the new movie coming out. I believe it's starring Tony Soprano's son, or James Gandolfini's son. I think it's called The Saints of New York, or Saints of Newark, sorry. Oh, we got an ice cream shop right here. Pip's Pit. You can see the grill is ready to go for all that sausage. All the Italian specialties they have here. And they got clams too. The drinks Here's some games. Look at all these stuffed animals.
Hey, which one are you going to switch up? Handball or
All the stuffed animals for the rides and the games. Nah, there's some.
it'd be pretty easy to drive yourself down.
Ooh, upside. Great pizza. You can see a guy in there tossing dough. This street feast goes on and on forever. But now we've really kind of left Little Italy, and now we're kind of in NoHo, I believe this area is called.
Filled it up. I'm like, I feel like.
Alright guys, I'm going to leave you in front of Ruby Rosa Pizza, a spin-off of Joe and Pat's from Staten Island. Great place to get a pie. Wow, the pizza is flat and crispy and delicious. If you like a thin pie, Ruby Rosa's is where it's at. Alright, thanks for walking with me.